at the GAIKINDO International Auto in Jakarta, and today Hyundai Motor will be officially unveiling the Stargazer X. It is the newest, sportier, and more rugged version of our brand's MPV. Hyundai Motor Company has expressed its commitment to grow the footprint of the brand here in the ASEAN, and there's no better way for our media friends than to learn more about it here in where our regional office is located in, which is in Indonesia. So during this trip, we will be giving our media friends a glimpse of what they can expect from the brand, not just when it comes to products, but also spaces and facilities, such as the Hyundai City Store and Motor Studio Senayan Park. During the 4 days, we will also be paying a visit to the Hyundai Motor Manufacturing Indonesia plant. It is one of our most innovative and future-forward facilities, where vehicles such as the Creta and the Stargazer are being sourced from. Customers can look forward to the Stargazer X in Philippine shores by the fourth quarter of this year, and we're very excited for our viewers to also come check it out in their nearest Hyundai showroom soon.